Want to know how to generate 100 leads a month as a realtor through Facebook ads without spending thousands of dollars? You're in the right place. Today, I will walk you through the proven strategy that will boost your lead generation and add revenue to your business. Hey, I'm Shawn Bell, and I am a social media coach for the Wolfpack at eXp Realty, and I'm also the founder of the Realtor's Blueprint, which helps realtors generate their own non-stop leads well in their sleep through Facebook ads. I've spent tens upon tens of thousands of dollars on Facebook ads and generated an unbelievable amount of leads for realtors across the world. And I would love to share these strategies with you so you can do the same. So stick around till the end of this video so you can have that roadmap. First off, we need to properly set up your Facebook ad. Instead of just creating a post and clicking on the blue boost button, which will get you more eyeballs on it, unfortunately, it will not get you leads. We need to go into Facebook, and when you're in your Facebook, on the left-hand side, you are going to see a button that says Ads Manager. If you do not see it, you click on a button that says See More, then you will see Ads Manager. Click on it. From there, you're going to click on a green Create button, and then it's going to give you 6 objectives, and the one you want to select is Leads. And this is a way to get 100 leads a month easily. Otherwise, you're going to be running Facebook ads and you're going to get frustrated and wondering why you're not generating any dang leads. Remember that when you are in there, there's going to be a special ad category. You need to click that. You need to select housing. Don't worry about it. Facebook does all the heavy lifting for you. It knows who to show your ad to. Also, when you get to the conversion part, you're going to want to click on Instant Forms. When you click on that, that is where Facebook will produce a form when somebody clicks on your ad saying that they have to submit their name, their phone number, and their email address. And this is how you actually get lead information. When setting up your ad, you need to define your target audience. You need to think, who do I want to see this ad? Who are the type of people that I would like to work with? When you do this, then you start to know what type of ad that you can create that will speak to that audience. And as you've seen from my prior videos, the easiest way to generate leads is through a list of homes. Offering up a list of homes in a specific neighborhood under the average price range always gets attention. But instead of just doing that, you need to call out to your specific audience. If you're wanting to get more families to deal with, well, maybe your list of homes is within a certain school district. Or maybe it's for people looking at needing a bigger home because their family is growing. As you can see, you need to think, who is my target audience? When you can figure that out, then you know the type of homes that they're actually looking at, and that's the type of lists that you can create, and this is how you're gonna get those type of leads. Next, you need to create compelling ad copy. Instead of just posting an ad and just writing whatever you want, you need to think about it. Maybe you need to call out your specific audience, say attention, families of whatever your city name is. From there, you can do little tricks like going to ChatGPT and getting it to help you. Just type into ChatGPT, hey, I'm creating this Facebook ad and I want to have a headline that's really going to grab people and make them want to click on my ad. This is the type of people I'm trying to target, so keep them in mind when you are creating this headline. Give me 10 examples. Hit enter and you're going to see a bunch of different examples and take the one you like. ChatGPT is amazing for this. It's going to give you a lot of ideas, and this is the way you're going to grab attention. You also need to have the visual factor on there. So if you are creating this type of ad, make sure if it's in a specific neighborhood, you go get your photo in front of that neighborhood sign. This gets people to stop scrolling because there's a set of eyeballs in the photo, and then it creates a familiarity factor where they're seeing that you're actually in their community, and this is not just another ad that is for everybody across the nation. This will get them stop scrolling. Then from there, they're going to read your headline, which you have done through ChatGPT, and this is where you're going to get better results. Once you do set up your ad, take some time and monitor it. Don't just set it and forget it. You need to be seeing, is this being shown to people? Make sure it's actually spending money. How many people is it being shown to? And are you getting any results? Are you actually getting any leads? Facebook does not notify you when you're running this type of ad, which I know seems really crazy. So at the very least, you can go watch some of my prior videos. I could show you how to have it so those leads leads will get sent to your email, so you get an email notification, or they'll go to your CRM. This is a great way to monitor to see if you're actually getting leads, or you can manually go in, check it in Facebook, but it is a big deal to be able to reach out to those leads in the first 5 minutes. So this is something you would like to have set up. It is crucial. And let your ad run for a minimum of a week. Facebook takes time, it's learning, and then eventually it starts to get better and knows who to show your ad to. This is why you need to keep checking it, monitoring it, seeing the results you're getting, and if after a week you're not really getting anything at all, switch it up. If you're not getting anything, this tells me something was off. Either it could be your photo or your headline, but generally it's the type of list that you're offering. If you've grabbed their attention with the photo and the headline like I spoke about, then this list is just something that your consumers are not interested in. You need to adapt, figure out a different list, and this is how over time you start to get better results because you are monitoring and always seeing what is working and what is not. I've had so many realtors in my Realtors Blueprint platform where it can take time off the start to see what ad is going to resonate best with their audience, and over time, as they do everything that I've instructed in this video, they eventually get to the point of where they're generating 100 leads a month, and this is building their database. Amazing. When you can build your own database, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to a lead generation company. Now, if social media were to go away tomorrow, they actually have contact information in their database because your email list is something you actually own. And now they can retarget to these people. They can send emails and give updates. They now have their contact information, which is an amazing thing that nobody can take away from you. So to recap, you need to make sure you're going in the back end of Ads Manager and setting up this ad as a lead objective. You need to think about who is my target audience and create your list of homes based off that audience. Create your compelling ad copy by having it speak out to that audience, maybe saying attention families, and then from there have your photo that is going to grab attention with you in it and having that familiarity factor. After that, make sure you monitor, check how the ad is doing, and over time make minor adjustments and make it the best ad that it can be, and then you can just rinse and repeat. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, make sure to give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell to be reminded of future videos. I also have a free guide. If you are wanting to know how to set up these types of Facebook ads, but you need more of a step-by-step because you don't know, well, should I click on this setting or do I need to worry about this? Don't worry, I have you covered. I have a free guide that'll walk you through step-by-step on how to set up an effective Facebook ad. All you have to do is comment with step by step and I will send you a free copy. Again, thank you so much for being here. If you ever have any questions, make sure to comment, and until then, I will see you in the next video. Take care.